In this video, I'll show you how to use Sequence Inspector, a quality control panel for Adobe Premiere Pro. After installing, you'll find the panel under Window, Extensions, Sequence Inspector. At the top, you'll see the Sequence dropdown. This is the sequence the plugin will scan. If you switch sequences in your project, just hit the refresh button next to it to update the list. The panel has two tabs: Checks, where you set up and run the scan, and Markers, where you review the results. Let's start with Checks. Everything's a single list with plain language descriptions, so you always know what each check does. When you're ready, press Scan. The plugin analyzes every video track top to bottom and drops markers on the timeline. Even long sequences with hundreds of clips take just a few seconds. One thing worth knowing: Sequence Inspector checks video tracks and it never changes your clips or effects. It only adds standard Premiere markers. Now, let's look at what each check actually catches. I've set up a few problem clips so you can see everyone in action. First, Gap. This flags any moment where no opaque clip is rendering. An empty spot on the timeline, an adjustment layer with nothing under it, or alpha media like a PNG. The viewer would just see a black frame. Here's one. The orange marker lands exactly on the black frame. Next, Bars. This catches clips that don't fully cover the frame because of scale, position, crop, or rotation, leaving black bars or exposed edges. Jump to the blue marker and you can see the picture doesn't reach the edge of the frame. Then Opacity. This finds clips with reduced opacity and nothing solid beneath them, so the image plays back dimmed or semi-transparent. Offline Media. This is the one that saves your delivery. It finds any clip whose source file is missing or unlinked. Instead of discovering the offline slate after you export, the red marker shows you exactly where it is right now. Short Clips catches those accidental slivers, stray 1 or 2 frame cuts left over from trimming. Remember, you set the threshold in Settings, so anything shorter than your chosen length gets a cyan marker. Great for cleaning up messy timelines. And Modified Clips. This highlights any clip with a non-default transform, position, scale, rotation, crop, or with effects or transitions applied. In Settings, you can choose whether that means parameters, effects, or both. Useful for spotting changes you didn't mean to make. Once the scan's done, switch to the Markers tab. Here's every issue in one list: type, timecode range, and file name for each marker. You can sort by type or by timecode. Sorting by type is handy when you want to fix all the same kind of problem together. Click any row to jump the playhead straight to that marker on the timeline. Fix the issue, and if you want, delete that marker with the X, or clear everything at once with Delete All. And when you rescan, the list updates. The goal is simple: scan, fix, rescan until the list is empty. Sequence Inspector, quality control for Adobe Premiere Pro.